Good time of the day, everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll tell you how to transfer money from Western Union to bank account. So we've got multiple steps. The first one is going to be online transfer via Western Union website or app. So as you can see on their website, they have a very basic explanation. I will get more in depth. So you create your profile, choose where and how much, enter the destination and how much you'd like to send, then select bank account as the receive method, enter who will get the money, basically fill up the form, pick up your payment option, choose whether to pay with your credit or with your bank account, and confirm and send. This is very basic, but I will get into more detail. So on this page, I will just give you a small visualization of how to perform this operation. Right, so create or log in into your account. After that, just choose send money. After that, select bank account, choose to send the money directly to the bank account. Alright, after that, answer the recipient's bank details. You'll need the recipient's bank name, account number, and potentially the bank's SWIFT or BIC code. Input the transfer amount, basically how much you want to transfer. Select the payment method, so you can pay with a credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Confirm the transfer and review the details and confirm the transaction. The second option, which is going to be in-person transfer. So you will need to find a Western Union agent in your nearest office, provide transfer details, all the same, make the payment, get confirmation. The agent will give you a receipt with the tracking number, also known as MTCN, for the transfer. And after sending the money, you can track the transfer using the MTCN or Western Union's website or app. The transfer time will vary, but it can take a few minutes to several business days depending on the destination country, payment method, and bank processing times. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, leave a comment, like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.